there on the asphalt. 5.5 grand. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching Christopher Thunder from Rider of the Storm and the world's dirtiest workshop. Really appreciate you watching my videos. I'm going to try to make as many segments from this footage that I can, and it should be really quite beautiful. I'm almost in Penampang. Going to start hitting traffic pretty soon. When I get to the gas station, I'm going to shut off the video and try and focus on just safety and managing my position in traffic. So that'll be the end of the video. I really want to thank all my new Malaysian fans, because you're about 20% of my new watchers right now, my new viewers. I think that's fantastic. It's really good to be here in East Malaysia with my family. Looking like, whoop, okay, we're going to have to slow down here no matter what. How busy is it at the gas station? It's like it's pretty busy. I'm not going to go in there. I got plenty of gas. The fuel gauge has barely moved. It's about 85 degrees Fahrenheit here right now, so it is pretty darn warm. Now I'm wearing long sleeves and long pants. That is partially because of the colder air up higher in the mountains, but more importantly, it's to protect your skin. I'm not wearing black like most motorcycle riders do. I'm wearing gray. You know, wear light gray. If you're going to wear pants that don't show stains, wear light gray. Don't wear black. I don't know why they sell black. Maybe because of all the road tar and whatnot. It just looks better in the long run. But you sweat. You know, black picks up a lot of heat. If you check out my little video about my helmet, where I've got a black stripe down the middle of the helmet, I've got reflective colors on both sides. I gotta tell you, you know, the white reflective part of my helmet I can touch and hold on to, but I can't put my hand on the black part, because I'll burn my hand. So that's the difference between white and black. In Kota Kinabalu weather, you know, here in the tropics, if you want to stay cooler, don't wear black. And I see a lot of people doing it. You know, don't wear black. Try to stick with silvers and grays. It is hot out here right now. You know, we're in the tropical sun. I've got sunscreen on, several layers of it. Oh, traffic's pretty bad today going into town. It's going to be a long, slow crawl. I'm going to get pretty hot. Now, I could lane split up the middle, which is extremely dangerous. I don't think I'm going to do that right now. I want somebody, like another biker, a couple of bikers, splitting the cars so that I can trail the leading bike. So if he clips somebody's mirror, well, that's his problem, you know. Because if you lane split up the middle on a road like this, the first thing you're going to do is start clipping people's mirrors. That's why it's so dangerous. That's why I wear my rainbow socks on my arms, just in case I get clipped by a car. Goes up past my elbows here. Say, you know, hey, I thought you said that's for sun protection. Well, it's actually two things. It's sun protection and very light body armor. So if you do clip a mirror, you won't skin yourself. It'll just hurt really bad. I love this tree. Oh, I love this tree. It's so shady. And back to the sun. Ah, man, it's hot out. Ah, I love that tree back there. That's so nice. Let's have more of those. Now, this would all be rainforest if it wasn't for this road. Kota Kinabalu. So I'm going to stay on the 500 until I get to the A3, and then I'm going to head south on the A3 back home. I like this setup. There's less vibration than, say, the GoPro. You'll get a much more stable video. Safety, safety. Coming up on the A3. Look to the right, look to the right. Accelerate out. This whole mountain range was on fire last week. Wow, that was something else. Now this U-turn I have to make it back to the other side because of the median here. The median is a real problem. You can't cross it. So what you do is you just let the cars pull up here and then get behind anybody who's here. And we're going to put her in neutral here. Yep. Spit out the video.